Okay, so we still need to figure out some errors. We've got no data going into Firebase. So if we look in here again, and just let's see if we can find out anything else that's going on here. So maybe just click our button here for the moment, submit, click OK, and let's have a deep dive into our inspect and our console. And that seems to be working all okay. But when I check here, there's still no data going into Firebase. So if I look back here at our actual REPL form, let's have a look in here and see if this reveals anything else. Okay, so we've got a lot of stuff going on here. Not load, but we're looking for maybe a red. So often, when you're dealing with these questions, it can be tricky to try and find the answer in JavaScript. So let's just have one more run again here. Click on that. I'm just going to click submit. Have a look at the console in here again. So right click, inspect down here. And we'll have a look in here again at the console. Okay, right up at the top there, see that one? Uncaught referencer, gender field is not defined. Gender field is not defined, so that's telling us on line about 60. So if we jump back in here, get rid of that now, go back in here and about line 60. So this appears to be to do with our checkbox. Okay, our checkbox. So when I look back in here, could one of the errors possibly be that there is no checkbox selected, and so the JavaScript doesn't know what to pick up by default? So let me investigate that and come back to you in the next video.